guys, it's me Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti. And today we are going to start with a new video of basic French. So in today's video, we are going to learn the colors which are called as les couleurs. Les couleurs. So do remember that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times. So here we are with the first color which is blue and it is called as bleu. Bleu. Then we have green which is vert. Vert. Then we have yellow which is jaune. Jaune. Then comes orange which is orange. Orange. Then we have pink which is rose. Rose. Then we have red which is rouge. Rouge. Then comes grey which is gris. Gris. Then we have brown which is brune. Brune. Then we have black which is noir. Noir. Then we have white which is blanc. Blanc. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.